That's Sammy. Isn't Sammy a pretty bird? You've never seen a parrot before. This is your first parrot. Hi, Sam. You gonna say something? There you go. Very curious birds. Here's Mr. Nosy. Maxie. The bird's laughing at you. The birds are evacuating from Irma. Hopefully we'll all be safe. All right, let's go move some patio furniture so we can get ready for the storm that's coming on Sunday.